In Sikhism, they strictly believe in monotheism and they are against Avatarvada. That means Almighty God becoming avatar. They're strictly against that. They're also strictly against idol worship. And Guru Nanak Sahib, he was very much influenced by Sant Kabir. Therefore, you will find sometimes the couplets of Sant Kabir is also mentioned. And one of the famous couplet of Sant Kabir we learned in school was, Dukh mein sumran sab kare, sukh mein kare na koe. Jo sukh mein sumran na kare, to dukh khaye hoye. It means during times of trouble, everyone remembers God. But during times of peace and happiness, no one remembers God. The person who remembers God at the time of peace and happiness, why should trouble touch him? So if you read the Sikh scriptures, you'll understand that Sikhism believes that you should believe in one God, and you should worship only one God who has got no images, who has got no idols.